as an instructor, it's important to document, keep track of students' attendance. Even in an online course, there is I've seen teachers use this module. So whether you're teaching online or face-to-face, this is a module that can be helpful as far as doing that. So in order to set it up, you would say, and this is just one time per semester that you do this. So I'm going to say create learning activity, all attendance. Automatically calls it that. You could put something more there if you want. The grade, if you don't want it to be worth points, you can make that 0 and it'll still work right. If you want it to be worth, let's say, every class period they get 5 points and then you meet 12 times, you could put 60 in there and it would divvy that out. If you do something like 100%, then it's going to take the number of sessions and base it on that total percentage. So that part you can decide what you want. So I'm just going to leave it like it is right now, and I'm going to say save and display. Since I haven't set anything up yet, I need to add a session. So I'm going to go here, and when I say session, I'm basically setting it up for the entire semester, or usually that's how we're looking at this. So I'm going to say that this starts in September, and if you want to put a time in, you can. I'll just say it goes to 8 and ends at 10, and then I'll come down here and I'll put that it's multiple sessions, which means, there's several class periods during the semester. So I click there, and I'm going to say it meets every Tuesday and Thursday per week, and then it ends, let's put something here, 27th, and then say add. All right, after I do that, then it automatically populates the attendance. So then what can happen as the instructor for each day of class, you can click over here. It'll list your people, and then you have the option to say whether they're present or late, excused, or absent. And you can even put comments in. After you do that, it just continually builds during the semester, and then that way if you have to, or you need to print something out, you've got it. I will say that if you have a student that gets a D or an F or quits showing up, then you need to be able to show the last day that they participated. So that's where this attendance module can be really helpful to the teacher, that then you'll have it in your records and you won't have to be trying to figure out somewhere that you scribbled it on a piece of paper or whatever. The other thing then to be able to get back to the attendance easily would be to go to the course dashboard and say edit blocks, and then there's one here called attendance, and then I'll turn editing off, and then you can always go there to take it during each class. Now students don't see this, they can't do anything with it. The only thing they will see is the points that they're given in the grade book, for if you are going to actually grade it. So there are some other options in there. I'm just real quick going to click there and come over here. Then that will bring up some other things that you can do. The reporting, the exporting, status set. So if you do want it worth points and you want to be there 5 and excuse 2 and so on, you can do those types of things. All right, that should be enough to get you going with the attendance. And like I said, some teachers even in online courses use it, and one way they do that is each week the student has to go in the course and take a look at maybe what's due that week on that Monday. So some point during Monday, they have to go in there and take their own attendance. And then that's the teacher's way of knowing that they've at least gone in once early in the week and taken a look at what's expected of them for that particular week. As always, if you have more questions on the attendance module or anything else that pertains to Moodle, just reach out to the FTLC and we'll help you.